Hello everyone, time check. It's May 1st, 7:30 p.m. and we've just arrived here at NAIA Terminal 2. We're heading to Boracay to celebrate Kaylee's 4th birthday. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to do DIY transfer from Calibo Domestic Airport all the way to your hotel in Boracay. We'll cover everything you need to know, what to expect, how the process works, how much you should budget for fares and fees. Let's get started. TRM. So this is the kids' very first flight. This is their first time in an airport, and seeing their excitement is just priceless. I'm trying to document everything so we can remember these precious moments. Kaylee, hi! Happy birthday! Hi, ate.
Here we go.
Hello everyone! Welcome back to the vlog again. This is Ron for Ron Santos TV and nandito tayo ngayon sa NAIA Terminal 2. So pupunta tayo ng Boracay. Ang biyahe natin ay papuntang Calibo kasi mas cheaper yung flight doon. It's 7:45 p.m. and ang flight talaga namin is 8:50. This is via AirAsia. So delay ng 1 hour. 9:50 daw yung flight namin. So yeah, see you later. Kaya muna tayo. So ayun na nga guys, AirAsia from 8:05 p.m. to 12:05. 8:50 pala, 8:50 p.m. to 12:05 na yung natin. Sobrang delay. 3 hours and 15 minutes na yung delay natin. Chill lang.
Over there, and you can see that there's a window.
Where is the window?
Here.
Okay.
And I can see the views are up here, and we're very high.
Okay, what else? What else you wanna show?
We went through a tunnel.
What else you want to show them?
There's a foldable table.
How does it look like when it's folded?
It looks like this.
Okay.
I'm gonna do this, and if you have a bottle like this, you do it like that. And we also went through a tunnel. And we're going to Boracay. See you at Boracay. After getting off the plane, head straight into the Calibo Domestic Airport. Once exit, there will be vans waiting outside. It's best to ask assistance from the official dispatchers. The fare from Calibo to Jetty Port is only 300 pesos. Hello sir, magkano po Jetty Port po?
300 siya.
300. Bali, po kami, tatlong adult, 9 years old full payment na yun. Tapos meron po kaming 2 years old tsaka 3 years old. Wala naman pong bayad yun.
Talungan na lang yun.
Talungin na po. Sige po. Dito pa, diretso na po yun ang Jetty Port, no?
Apo, dito siya.
So, nandito na tayo sa Jetty Port. So guys, there's only 4 easy steps at the Jetty Port. Step number 1, register and present your ID. Step number 2,
pay for the terminal fee. That's 150 for adults, 120 for students, and then free for kids 5 and below. Step number 3, pay the environmental fee. That's just the same, 150 adult, 120 for student, and then free yung 5 years old and below. And then step number 4, the terminal or the boat fee rather, that's 50 pesos per head, and then free then yung 5 years old and below. So after completing those 4 easy steps, we went inside and we have our tickets checked. Do not forget to write on your name on the ticket and your address, because before you get in the boat, they will collect the ticket and they will ask you to put on those details. Ay, ticket daw, mami.
Pangalan na ma'am.
Yung sa boat po ba?
Yes.
And after about 5 minutes of boat ride, we officially arrived here at the island of Boracay. So dito sa Jetty Port, meron na ring ATM. Yan. So kung kailangan nyo mag-withdraw na kayo dito. Yan. Boracay. Tapos paglabas nyo lang dito, ayun, nakapila na dun yung mga e-trike yata yung tawag dyan. Ayan, sa part na yan. Madilim lang. Pero yan sila. Kuya, magkano nga po isa? Red Coco In po. Apa. Bali, 4 po. Pandong na lang po yung batang malita. Okay lang po ba? Guys, be careful with this. It's actually 15 pesos per head if you take the public or shared e-trike. But I agreed to pay 150 since we ended up occupying the entire back seat anyway. And malalaki din naman kami. Checking in. Anong floor kami, kuya? So, meron tayo ditong dalawang queen size bed. Yan. Tapos, ito naman yung TV console. Siyempre, may aircon tayo dyan. Tapos, dito meron ditong parang desk. Vanity yata ito kasi merong mirror. Tapos, meron tayong complimentary coffee dito. Meron tayong heater. Tapos, mini rep. Yan. Tapos, ito, lagayan ng maleta. Tapos, meron ka dito parang locker, safe. Yan. Tapos, ito yung main door. Ito naman yung CR. So, yan. Maganda naman yung CR. Sakto lang yung laki niya.
May lavatory. Siyempre yung water closet. Tapos yung shower. Tapos, pagpasok mo is meron ditong balcony. Malaking glass door. So, yan. Tapos meron dyang upuan. Ang view natin ay ito. So, madaling araw guys, kaya di nyo makita. Pero, ayun, kita dito yung restaurant nila. Ayun, yung kabila na yun yung restaurant nila. Itong building na to. So, bukas ko na kayo itutour sa buong resort. So, ayun na nga guys, nakaligo na tayo. It's 4:20 AM ng May 3. Bali, ayun, kalarating lang namin. Kakain pa lang kami, maghanap kami ng mga kainan. 24 hours daw yung fast food dito kasi malapit lang to sa D-Mall, walking distance lang. May antox din, so titingin kami kung ano yung syempre affordable. Doon lang tayo sa budget.
So guys, this will be the end of this video. I hope that this helps you. If it did, please do not hit that like button and subscribe. If you are not subscribed yet, you can also share this to your family and friends, and see you on our next vlog. Bye!